Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're going to be working on a Echo CS-590 chainsaw. That's one of the things been sitting around for a couple years. We're just going to go through it. Make sure the carburetor diaphragm's working good and fuel filter is clean and everything. So we'll start on this video. Hope you like it. Okay, we'll go ahead and take the air filter box off here. Go ahead. Check the spark plug out on it real quick. Yeah, looks like that thing's been burning really good. Nice light brown burn. Thing's been running good. So I'll go ahead and take this air filter box cover off so we can get to the carburetor. Okay, I'll go ahead and take this cover off here. Okay, there's the carburetor. I'm gonna go ahead and blow this off before we continue to get all that sawdust off there so we don't contaminate the inside of the motor or anything like that. So I'll go ahead and blow it off. Okay, let's take this choke lever off. And we got the two lines. This one here's your fuel, and that's for air. So. When you take this stuff off, just kind of remember where the stuff goes when you put it back together. Okay. Now the throttle linkage is in the back here. And there we go. So I'm gonna get this cleaned off before we tear it apart. There we go. I'm going to show you something here. This is your low and high mixture screws right here. I'll show you how to pop these out. That way you got this, you can have full use of the mixture screws. Because, you know, it depends on where you're at in the country. Okay. There's a little slot right there, then a little slot right there where these will slide out. So you just go like this. it out like that. And pop it out like that. And see, there's where your screw is, where you have full range of adjustment. These are like pre. Okay, let's go ahead and take this carburetor apart. This is a Marlboro carburetor. As you can see in the screen, there's a lot of crap in that screen. That diaphragm ain't too bad. But yeah, a lot of stuff in there. So let me go and find a carburetor kit for this. Okay, we got our new carburetor kit here. We'll start with this side over here. Just like that. And that little flat spot there, that rides on that there. Make sure it goes in little pins, so it's on there straight. Just like that. Go ahead and tighten them down. Okay, let's go this side here. We'll go ahead and put this on here. Kind of see, follow the designs. Just like that.
Afternoon, this is Wagner Airport Automated
Just like that there.
3003 at 19 EC4 caution wind shear. For runway pilot discretion.
Make sure everything's lined up.
Other services, click here mic read times on advisory for times for radio check.
Just plop it on there so the pins all fall into place. And just like that. Okay, I guess we can go ahead and put the carburetor thing back on it. So, get this linkage put on there. Just like that. Go ahead and install our hoses. Grab that choke lever. Just like so. Grab our air filter base. Like that. And line these holes up to the holes on the carburetor. Like so. Before you tighten them all the way down, just make sure everything's working. Okay, now we can install the spark plug. Now, being this thing sat for at least a couple of years, what I like doing, I like to spray a little WD-40 in there, because the rings and everything going to be dry. Just help lubricate that until the oil and the gas gets up there and starts lubricating everything. Get that started. Okay. We're gonna check the fuel filter out. See how that is. Got this little wire. So you can grab the hose. Yeah, that looks like it's been replaced. Let's put a little fuel in there. Okay, I'm gonna sharpen the chain on it real quick. Okay. Okay, we got the chain sharpener put on. Let's see if this big CS-590 starts. So make sure your on switch is on the on. Pull the choke out. This one here has that decompression button. Go ahead and push that down. And we'll see what it can do here. Okay, kind of pops, so let's push that choke back in. Oh, there's a lot of power in that stuff. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know on my YouTube page, and I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you. Have a good day. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Smallage, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks.